Looks like the match is gonna start in about 20 seconds, guys. This is the T2 match of the Meghalaya League Scrims. Alright, 86 players in total, 25 teams. Let's see who's gonna get a chicken dinner. Okay, looks like we're following HC, H6, but who has the highest RP? Let's take a look. Jawai Zulu with 51, Etsy Cloudy in fact with the highest RP with 51 as well. Let's follow the person with the highest RP. Playing path right now. Scrim even here. This is T2 bro, T2. Playing path is coming in from the top. That's in La Cabrera. We have teams already jumping off. We have lots of drop spots here all the way to Chumasera. Okay. Few teams have already jumped off. That's team number 19, Team Capio, Team Crazy also have gone out. Team Race and ISSBT, I think Symbiotics are in La Cabrera if I'm not wrong. Let's take a look at these teams here. Team 7 and Team 8, I Nexus Fake and SBT Venom from Symbiotics. Only 2 players here, so let's see. Both of these teams are gonna have to loot now. In the meantime, let's check the map and see where all teams. Team Jowai and Team Axe are headed towards El Pogo. We have Jowai Bobby, Daria, OQ and Zulu from Jowai A team. We have Jowai B team as well in the same tire. Oh no, Jowai B team is in tire 1 I guess. Okay, let's take a look at the map. All the teams are a little bit spread out. We have few teams going to Los Leones, Team Dark Army, F and X, Team AKH and Team Wolves. Look like there 4 teams are going to Los Leones. Team GSG, FXG and AK are headed towards Valle del Mar. Big Pine have taken Los Higos and 18th Street there. They have looted in the small compounds. No teams currently in the same area right now. I think there's only Team Joa and Team X and Al Pozo. La Cabrera we have Team Race and Symbiotics. Alright, let's take a team look. Team Axe Storm here currently looting. He doesn't have any gun with him. Axe Wolf has a car on 98 I guess. No, that's a Thompson, sorry. So all teams are currently looting at the moment. Let's take a look at GSG right now. They're with Team 15 and Team 3. GSG versus FXG versus an AK. Okay. Kumar, no, AK is aggressive. Khasi assassins. Okay, got it. Okay, let's concentrate on the game now. Then looking at my other phone, looking at text messages. Should not do that while the match is here, guys. So many text messages. Just woke up, so wasn't able to respond in time. Let's see. Team GSG, hey Bash, hey Easy PUBG, J Free Fire, J Free Fire. Okay, J Free Fire as well. No hate there. Free Fire also, many people play Free Fire, no hate for them, but you can't argue with the fact that PUBG is in fact much greater than Free Fire, bro. Snake here has an M16 level 1 helmet, level 1 vest as well. Looks like they're pushing towards team number 18. You get to see team 18 number 15 here. Team GSG are holding up that spot. Oh, AK Buck is right next to team 15 as well. Easy PUBG. Okay, I'll check. AK Buck is ready. Team AK is started from GSG versus Team 15, that is FXG. Looks like FXG are pushing in towards Chai GSG 9. Oh, FXG Shino gets knocked GSG 9. Let's take a look here. One player has been knocked. Chai GSG 9 is right next to that same building. One player from GSG, Marva, has been knocked as well. There won't be any help for Chais. GSG is the only player remaining. Oh, it's the only player here next to this building. So you can see Team AK are also coming in right now. 85 players remaining. Crazy is in a fight with Capio. Capio knocks out Crazy with that Winchester. Not sure where that fight is. Crazy versus Capio. Oh, there we have. One player has been knocked from Team Capio. Where are the shots coming in? Team Crazy. Oh, they're a little bit far. Okay. Let's go back to Bala Del Mar here. GSG versus Team FXG. And Team AKA is also here in Bala Del Mar. Team GSG holding up this 3-story building. Other side of the road you can see Team AK holding up their spots over there. AK Buck. He's gone AFK. He's not having good internet, I guess. Look at him, he's gone AFK. In Excess is in a fight with Team Race. And in Excess Free gets taken out. SPT Venom is the last player remaining here. La Cabrera looks like he's gonna fall back. You can hear people from behind are pushing towards him, I guess. Yes, the teams are pushing in from Team Race. SBD Venom, the last player here from Team Symbiotics. 2 players were not able to join from their team. In fact, there's only 1 player remaining. And there we go, guys. Symbiotics gets eliminated. Only 2 players, in fact. That's a little bit sad. Couldn't do anything there, guys. Many people having internet issues couldn't join the room. Okay, we still have FXG and GSG in the Bala Del Mar. All 3 teams are playing a little bit passive. Snake have gone to the other side of the road where Team AKA is at the moment. Let's see, Team FXG are a little bit spread out. Let's take a look at Snake. He's currently looting on the same side where Team 3 is. So AKA is also looting, I guess. NEF is in a fight with Wolves. Let's take a look at the map. Where is that happening? Joy is also in a fight with Team Axe. NEF. So Axe versus Joy we have. 4 players from Team Axe. NEF also in a fight with Team Wolves. 1 player remaining from Team 4 here. Wolf or Team NEF. Snake is the last guy remaining. See, the teams are looking for him right now. Let's go back to El Pozo. Okay, looks like a team from Joy team are pushing in towards Axe team here in this 5-story building. Red Devil is on the arena over there. We have 2 players from Axe. And here Red Devil firing towards Team Joy, I guess. So 3-man squad from Team Axe. 1 has been eliminated. Axe Wolf. So 3 players remaining. Joy with a 4-man squad here. Looks like they're gonna push. FXG is in a fight here with Team 3. That's Team AKA. And AK Buck has been taken out. He was having internet issues here. Akuma is in a fight with YM. This is probably in San Martin, and Akuma gets taken out by Team Yolomot there, guys. Akuma has been taken out in Hacienda del Patron. We have Team Big Pine also throwing shots here, but I think those were misfires. No fights happening there. Let's go back to GSG versus AK and Team FXG. Right now FXG still have 3 men alive. AKA lost one of their members. Looks like AKA Momo and AKA Pizza remaining. Marva is in a fight here. Looks like Marva has spotted Team 3. coming in from Chai towards Snake. Snake is half HP right now. Alright. All three teams are playing passive. At the moment, no push happening from either of the teams. I think they're just waiting for knock for a push, but it's very risky since three teams here. Easily any team can get third party by the moment of pushing. EKH again will fight with X. That is Los Leones. We have team 20 and team 17 currently in a fight here in Los Leones. Team FNX have EKH has been knocked, and EKH silence knocks FNX Reaper with a grenade. One nice grenade from FNX Reaper. That was from EKH team. One grenade, there go. Oh my god, EKH CM Shadows jumped off a building, gets knocked and is eliminated as well. Daniel has been knocked. All three teams here. Okay, we have a fight between FXG and AKA at the moment. AKA team looks like they're in trouble. Axe is also in a fight with Jawai. EKH silence gets knocked by FNX. Looks like the push is happening here. Coming in from Jawai team, and the Axe team gets eliminated there, guys. FNX will see versus EKH here in Los Leones. 2 players remaining from EKH. Daniel and Snipes, RM Snipes are the only 2 players remaining from team AKH, whereas FNX have 3 players from their team. Dark Army somewhere close as well. Oh, what a nice Car 98 shot there from FNX. Kronos almost knocks the player from AKH, but luckily he wasn't. I mean, he didn't get the headshot. Oh, AK and FXG are now in fight. Yes, let's take a look. GSG versus the AKA team has been taken out. We only have FXG here versus team GSG. Looks like they're gonna move towards the zone now. FXG right behind team GSG here, but they'll be moving towards the zone as well. Looks like the zone has shifted towards Lab and Nedita. People who are in Los Leones are currently inside the zone. RK or RXN are in Picado, so they're also in the zone as well. Hanyotrap, Sovereign, Jowai, Raze. Oh, Axis is currently in a fight with Yolomot here in the Hacienda. Let's take a look. One player from team Axis has been knocked. Canadian T2 brought T2. Tier 2. T1 is at 9:15 PM. And Ross there with another knock. Last player remaining. Overdose is the last one remaining here. And he gets eliminated. Clutch and Russ there with that Uzi. Nice play from Jolomoti. Have total number of 7 kills here. 17 total for Jolomoti. Looking strong in the T2. FXG again is in a fight with GSG. I think FXG got eliminated. They just took CSG just took out team FXG. FXG in the 19th position there, and they still have F and X with team EKH. Sorry, EKH 2 plays. Dark Army is somewhere close by as well. Yes, they are in Los Leones as well. But this 5 team EKH and FNX here we'll get to see now. Take a look at the EKH Daniel. So it's gonna use smokes, no? EKH RM Snipes. Probably can spot FNX team here with that TPP. FNX Cronus is right over there, but I think no shots will be taken from EKH RM Snipes. Okay, GSG dead gets knocked outside of the zone. So all team from FNX here waiting for a knock before they go push towards team AKH. No knock happening in, but Dark Army is closing in towards team RXN versus team AKH. Dark Army AI is right next to Team EKH. EKH is right in the next building, if you can see there. Looks like they've gone out of this 5-story building. EKH Daniel has rotated towards the other side. He is gonna go and totally rotate towards FNX Cronus. Oh, Capio is gonna fight with Joy. Cronus gets knocked there and gets taken out by RM Snipes. Oh, what an early there knock. FNX is gonna fight with Capio. YM is gonna fight with Capio. 2 players remaining from Capio. Looks like a push is coming in from team and Dustin. Looks like Team Capio, 1 player remaining here. Let's see what will happen. And YM Wolf with that AK. Looks like Team Capio has also been taken out. 10 kills in total for YOLO mode. Let's go back to Los Leones. FNX 2 players remaining and EKH has 1 player. YM Snipe has been taken out. Daniel is the only one remaining. Dark Army is not closing into third party this fight, even though they have a good chance of doing it. Doesn't seem like they're gonna do it, but let's see if EKH Daniel can clutch here against 2 members from FNX. Looks like he's gonna fall back. Doesn't want to take the fight, I guess. He's inside the zone currently, but he will probably not take this fight. Alright, we have about 16 teams remaining. Big Pioneer moving towards the zone. 18th Street John here all by himself. Team 13 is also moving towards the zone. PNDT Vendetta, they're moving towards the zone as well. They're currently inside the red zone. Hope nothing happens with the red zone there. No vehicle blasts, no nothing. Really here in a fight with RX10, I guess. 1 player from RX10 has been knocked on top of that red 4-story building. Green Tungstar almost gets knocked. 1 HP there. Wow, good spray from Rain team. That is from Team Rain. Oh, no, that was from Team RX10. Sorry, RX10 Abate Hizo. Alright, looks like Team Rain are gonna move out here. Joe White team is also closing in towards Picado. We might get to see Joe White team versus Team RX10. Zulu stopping to see if there are any teams in Picado. Currently there are teams here. We have Team Rain out on top. And RXN is also okay. The zone has shifted here. Looks like the zone is in Los Leones. In fact, shots coming in from RXN. Oh, vehicle will probably explode there for Joe Y if they don't get off soon. No shots coming in from Team RXN towards Team Joe Y. Luckily, they made it out alive. Look at that vehicle, guys. Probably a few bullets will take them out. Easily will be taken out. Rain is also there. Can they spot Team Joe Y? Because they should spot here. Okay. Joe Y also has got a knock here. Taking shots from firing towards Joe Y. OQ. Okay. Joe Y direct is knocked by Rain Neo. With that Scarlet and a 6X. Revived definitely, and Barbie also gets taken out. 2 players from Team Joe Y has been taken out. 1 is getting revived and the other is getting revived as well. Will that Team Rain push? Looks like they are inside the vehicle. Will they go and push towards Team Joe Y? Not so sure. Team RXN are also here. They're still holding the grounds here on this Picado compounds, but not sure. Let's see. Zone is with team number 23, team 18, Team Vendetta. VFNX is also there. EKH, Dark Army. GSG are also moving on the edge of the zone at the moment. From the north we have Team HC, Team Crazy, YOLO Mode, Team Rain, Joe Y, Race and RXN. Big final fight with Vendetta. Okay, let's go to Los Leones, team number 23 and 13. One player from Team Vendetta got knocked and has been taken out as well. VNDT Victor. So we have only 3 players remaining. FNX also trying to spot Team 13 here, right on top of the roof, so they can easily third party later, man. It's good spot for Accent to be in right now. So it's Big Pine versus VNDT. Okay, let's see. Looks like all the teams are moving in now. Team 22 and Team 6 are also fairly close to each other. This YNW and Team 6, which is Team Sovereign. Sovereign are stock here, yes, okay. Only Zeta shots coming in towards Team 22 from Team 6. So YNW currently in a fight with Team Rain. Rain Tang SRG. Looks like he's gonna damage the vehicles there for Team Rain or for Team YNW. Team Race is also right behind. We have Team Race, which is Team 22. Oh no, Team 22 is Race. Team 2 is YNW. Team 8 is Race, in fact, sorry. So they're moving into the zone currently where Team Rain and YNW is at. Big Pine, another knock there for VNDT. So Big Pine, one player got knocked. Starboy has been knocked here by Team Vendetta. Okay, 0 seconds in. Looks like the zone is gonna shift again. Looks like it's gonna move a little bit towards the northern side of Los Leones. All these teams from the south will have to move in now. Looks like, yeah, it's a little bit in the central area of Los Leones now. Currently teams are Yellow Mode, Wolves, Dark Army and EKH are already inside the zone. Joa is also inside the zone. FNX right next to Team Dark Army here. Team 25 Dark Army are also inside the zone. HC is in a fight with Rain. So right now Rain is in a fight with HC. Like another team is here. HC Auto is getting revived. Oh, 2 players from HC have been knocked. Rain Tungsten gets knocked by Kuro. Kuro from Team Race are also here, the third party versus Team 6, that is Sovereign versus Team Race. Let's see. So Team 22 are holding up that position. Team HC are currently outside of the zone. Race Unknown gets knocked here. Mr. Rain, Neo, and Team Rain has been taken out by Team Race. Let's take a look at HC right now. They are currently on the edge here. They can easily spot Team Race. Can they spot Team Race? They're not looking at Team Race at the moment. Looks like they're currently healing up. Team YNW here shooting towards Team Race, I guess. They will have to move to the zone. And a Kudo knocks Mr. 345. Looks like he's out of ammo, I guess. Team Race, 20 seconds in, they'll have to revive their teammates and move towards the zone. Team HC are currently moving towards the zone already. They are on foot. They don't have vehicles. Team 25 Joai and Dark Army are in a fight right now. Let's see here. Team Joai versus Dark Army. So one player from Team Joai has been knocked and 2 knocks here. Joai Dare has been knocked as well. Joai Goku and Lulu. We're getting Lulu versus JK as well. And oh, 1 HP for JK. Alright, there we go. Joai team has been eliminated, guys. We have Team GSG in a fight with another team here. So 1 player remaining. Team 11, that's RXN here. GSG. 1 player remaining. Oh, bye. Alright, what will we do here is the last player remaining. Star gets knocked by 18th Street John. Molly coming in towards Team GSG. 1 player remaining. Big Pine Lawan also gets knocked. Race knocks at YNW Deru. Let's see here, what can Chai GHG do versus 3 members from Team RXN. Race Mr. 35 knocks out YNW easy. Oh man, so many fights happening at the moment. Wanna see what Chai can do. He looks like he has been taken out. Dark Army FNX, team number 13. That's Team Vendetta. They're all still alive. Race currently in a fight with YNW, I guess. They took out Team YNW, has been taken out by Team Race. 6 kills in total. 2 players have been knocked from Team Race. Looks like YOLO mode is right on top waiting for Team Race here. SC is in a fight with Team Wolf. Team Wolf has been knocked. HC Cloudy also last player remaining from Team HC. Push is coming in from Team Wolf. HC Cloudy will be able to hold against Team Wolf. Doesn't look like they will. So HC team has been taken out. YM versus Race here at the moment. Looks like Race are gonna throw smokes to move towards the zone. This is gonna be difficult to win. Shots coming. Race unknown gets taken out. Wolf is in a fight with Team Crazy. I think Team Crazy is out here. Race Space gets knocked by Wolf Kratos. Another third party there for Team Wolf against Team Race. Race are in a very bad position right now. One player has been knocked and they're a little bit outside of the zone. So you see on the left here we have Team Wolf on the left, third party against this fight between YM versus Race. Race Genji is already on the right side. Looks like he is a little bit inside the zone as well. Okay, so one player from Team Race inside the zone. Looks like the rest of the team also are gonna move towards the right side. The zone has started. 4 seconds remaining here. Let's take a look at YM. Currently they have a very good spot in the middle and center of the circle here. Definitely Team Race will get spot. RXN knocks out EKH. Race with the 305 winning the open. They're willing to Wolf Hunter gets knocked by YM. Mr. 305 with 1 HP remaining there. Will he be able to make it? Take a look at YM, the plane remaining players from them. Others are putting the concentration on Dark Army versus Wolves right now. Oh my god, Dark Army versus Wolf. We have YM Dasan third party from on top. And the Team Wolves get taken out by Dark Army. Dark Army doesn't know that YM is here right on top. Taken easily third party, but very poor shots coming in from YM Dasan. They easily knock a few players over there. RXN is also joining in. You can see YM Rocket knocks out RXN Blake. FNX team is in a fight here with probably Team 13 Vendetta. Ice Cube has been knocked. BBS Lam's the last player remaining. I think looks like he's reviving his teammates at the moment. Dark Army in a very bad spot because Team YM is right on top here. They're also outside of the zone, so it's going to be very difficult for Team Dark Army to move in. YOLO mode is in a very good position here. All players. Team 8 has the zone. In fact, Race team has the zone. Luckily for Team Race, they have the zone. So Team 2, Team 20, 13, Team 25 all have to move in now. FNX Clutch that just knocked one player from Team Vendetta. So one player remaining from Team Vendetta, I guess. Yes, so BBS Lam's the last player remaining. Looks like he's having internet issues here. Clutch and Rust knocks out FNX Clutch Dad. FNX Clutch Dad has been taken out. Is that the end of Team FNX? No, one player remaining. In fact, Ice Cube dies outside of the zone. Again coming in. Wolf gets knocked by Emperor. Oh, Wolf gets taken out. So Dasan still putting his concentration towards Dark Army. Dark Army looks like they're outside of the zone right now. YM Dasan is gonna have to move to the zone. FNX Emperor knocks out YM Wolf. YM Wolf has been taken out. Nice play for FNX Emperor. Clutch Rust takes out FNX team. Dark Army are moving into the zone. Looks like they'll die outside of the zone. YOLO mode. 2 teams remaining here. Race versus YOLO mode. Let's see who can take the chicken dinner. And Race Genji gets knocked by YM, Clutch and Russ. So it's 3v1 here, guys. 3v1. Let's see if team YM gonna go ahead and push. They know that one player is remaining. Looks like they're gonna go and push. Ratchet is on the left. He's the closest so far. Let's team race. Looks like they're healing at the moment. Team YOLO mode is pushing in from on top. So 3v2 remaining. Okay, guys. Race Genji is still a little bit low in health. He's currently using smokes to have some more time to probably heal up more. Right now YM Dustin is pushing in. And he gets knocked. What a nice knock there from Race Genji, as you can see. And the Race Genji is inside the smoke at the moment. So 2v2, Mr. 305 versus Ratchet, and takes out. That's it. Team Race is taken out by Team YOLO mode. YOLO mode 8 team takes a chicken dinner with 10 kills, 11 kills in total. 11? No, 21 kills in total. Wow, Clutch and Russ 10 kills all by himself. Looks like he's the MVP of the match today. Clutch and Russ, congratulations for getting the MVP. 10 kills in total. YM Ratchet with 7 kills. Total number of kills, look at that, guys. 21 kills in total for Team YM. Very dominating play from Team YOLO mode. Congratulations, Team Race. They're in the second position with 6 kills in total. Dark Army taking the third position with 6 kills as well. FNX in the fourth position. Fifth position, Vendetta. Sixth position, RXN. Big Pine in the seventh position. Wolves in the eighth position. EKH in the ninth position. 10th position to Team Crazy. 18th Street La, only solo player here with 2 kills from 11th position. 12th position goes to Team HC. YNW in the 13th position. 14th position to Team GSG. Joa in the 15th position. 16th position goes to Team Sovereign. 17th position goes to Team Capio. 17 to Hinyautrep. 17 to Capio. 18 to Hinyautrep. 19 to Team FXT. 20th position to Team Axis. AK in the 21st position. 22nd position to Team X. 23rd position Akuma, and last but not the least, 24th position to NEF. Last but not the least, Team Symbiotics.